I got the new car Bluetooth scan tool. This is the unit here. You have to download the app. This is the male part that goes to the OBD2 female part underneath the steering wheel part of the dashboard. You have to download the app and use the activation code. You get the user manual. Very lightweight, convenient, easy to use, easy to set up. Powers off the receptacle in the car. This is the box that it comes in. Special features. The app works great. iOS and Android. You get a nice protective case for it. Very convenient. Makes a great gift, good value for your money, and a wonderful addition to your garage, shop, or the do-it-yourself guy. Thank you.